Hi, and welcome to ThemisAI. ThemisAI is an artificial intelligence based legal research and analytics platform to redefine your search experience. Are you a lawyer or a student who wants to do research on legal documents? Our revolutionary search functionality, Case Wizdom, provides you with an intuitive, user friendly interface to get your search results. It shows you dynamic options based on the search text, which is powered by an underlying AI engine. In this video, we will show you how to execute a simple search query using Case Wizdom. Firstly, visit our site www.themisai.in. Once you are in the site, navigate to the Login/Register menu. If you already have a login, please enter the credentials to proceed. New members can create a login by following simple registration steps. Once you are inside the application, suppose you want to search for a case related to Modi Nagar Industries. The moment you start typing the search keywords, our system prompts search results that are intelligently bifurcated by entities such as the case name, petitioner name, law, court, judge name, etc. Depending on your need, you can apply the filters to get the most relevant search results quickly. If you want a plain text search experience, just click on the search button without selecting any of the filters. By clicking on the search button, we would display the judgment results screen. You can see the case results and summary details here. You can select the desired judgment on this screen. Now you are in the detailed judgment results screen. What you see here is the summary of the whole judgment with additional insights derived using artificial intelligence so that you don't have to read the entire text. The case parties section shows you all the key information for the judgment like the court, bench, respondent, etc. The entities section shows you various categories in the judgment like person, places, law, etc., which are referred in the judgment. You can just click on it to get the list. Case citation section shows you the equivalent citation of the same judgment. Case insights provides you advanced details like issues, conclusions, which are part of the judgment. This is also derived using machine learning. In our next video, we will further deep dive into the analytics feature. Thanks for watching the video. For any queries or further information, please send a mail to our support ID.